What it do, people? We got Raphael and Donatello driving the challenges. We got Hellboy driving another challenger. Leonardo driving the Viper. And then we got a G.I. Joe driving Lil Red. Don't forget, Chucky over here gassing up, waiting to see who dares challenge him. Let's get this road on the show. All right, so how we gonna do this is, I believe we're gonna do the brothers gonna race each other and then see who's gonna race Hellboy. I think that's what they deciding right now. Yeah, I think the brothers. Yeah, that's what Leo's yelling right now. So that's what we doing. That's what's happening. Well, Donatello is saying back to the regularly scheduled program because he said he wanted to race. So apparently it's challenger against challenger. And we're going to see who do what. Let's see what they do. Now, Hellboy lost, but I think he's sitting over here asking if he can go get his car. He bought his show car. He wasn't expecting a race. Blah, 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 blah. But I don't think Donnie going for it. He say, you lost. Catch me on another day. So, obviously, Donnie and Chucky get ready to get it in. Well, Chucky was definitely about to lose, and then somebody choked. Look at his face. He's embarrassed. But since he was about to win, he's going to go ahead and give Hellboy a challenge. Give Hellboy a chance in his SRT. So we got SRT versus SRT. We got the Demon versus the SRT. Let's see what they do. Hellboy should have left it alone. That's why he's leaving. And Donnie sit here trying to get a rematch. And Chucky's not having it because he know he almost lost his championship. So he's going to leave that right where it's at. He's keeping his championship. He know he almost lost. He trying to get in his car and get up out of there. All right, y'all. If y'all didn't already do it, look at the next, I said the next. Look at the other video. What is this, 14? Go look at 13 and 12. We out.